What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this spring Easter bunny and also a 3D Easter card as well. So what were you all waiting for? Let's roll intro. What's up, everybody? How's everyone? Hope everyone is all good and had a good week. My name is Romeo and this is Romeo Sketches. I am a sketch and motivational artist, uploading art therapy videos and also how-to videos every week. Today I am going to be showing you how to make this lovely bunny rabbit. Spring bunny rabbit out of paper and out of card. Very easy to make, getting you all ready for Easter. I'm also going to be showing you how to make this 3D Easter egg card as well. All different colours in there. Very simple to make. So let's get down to it. Okay, right. To start off, what we're going to be needing to make the spring Easter bunny and the 3D Easter card, we're going to be needing is coloured card, pencil and pen, scissors, a ruler, some coloured pens, and a glue stick. You can use PVA glue as well, works just as well. So the first thing we're going to start off with, the first thing we're going to be making is our 3D pop-up card. Now I've already folded up a plain piece of card already, so we're going to put that to one side. What we're going to do now is make our egg shapes. Now I've already cut out an egg shape that we're going to be using. I've already cut this out already, and I'm going to go over it and create 9 of these egg shapes. We're creating 9, 8 are going to be used to make the actual 3D look, and the 9th one's going to be there to be stuck down, and all the others are going to be stuck on top of our egg shape. So let's use this template here to mark off all our egg shapes. And once we've done all of these, we'll then cut them all out. Now we've got 8 egg shapes on here. We're going to cut these out. I'm going to make one more as well. We'll cut these out and then we'll start sticking them onto our card. So here we now have our egg shapes. Got quite a few in here, so I've varied the colours of them, just to make it look that little bit more interesting for our card. Now we've got our card now. What we're going to do is stick our first egg shape onto the card. Let's get our glue. Make sure to use a surface that you can use your glue on. It's not going to mess up your table or anything like that. Place the egg down. There we go. Now once we've got this one done, what we're going to do now is fold our egg shape. So we're going to fold 4 of these ones. And we're going to fold 4 of these ones as well. So there's our 4. There's the other 4. And just going to fold them in half. As so. So we fold all of these now. Now they're all folded, we're going to start gluing them down. The first 2 we're going to put down, we're going to stick one here, and we're going to stick one here like that. Okay, so we're going to glue this side down first. And then we're going to glue this side down to go on there. And you repeat this until we get to the end. So the next one. And our last one. And then to finish it off, we're going to glue these two together. And just open up all these, and there we have get them to write inside the card. Happy Easter. And then we have our Easter card made. That's the Easter egg done. So that's the Easter egg card done. Pop that to one side. Now we're going to go on to and do the spring rabbit. And what I'm going to do first is mark off to every 2 inches from there. We're going to do some vertical lines, and then once we've done our strips, we'll then cut them out. Okay, now let's cut out each one of our strips. Here we have our strips all cut. You're going to need 8 strips, 4 for the base and 4 for the head. Okay, so let's start to create the base of our rabbit. We're going to get a bit of glue, and what we're going to do is just going to be dabbing a tiny piece of glue just into the center here, and then taking one of our strips and just placing it in the center. I'm going to take another tiny bit more glue and get a bit more glue again. We're going to place this here. And we just get our next strip and place that there. Blob of glue and place it that way. You get something like that. Now what we're going to do is glue each of these ends, and then each one of these ends will then be picked up and glued onto as such. So we're going to put a bit of glue on this one, a bit of glue there. Now we're going to pick up each strip now, and we're going to glue them together. Put that one there. next one up. And that one. That one up too. Bring this second one up. Last ones. And glue that down. Now while that is drying, so that's our first one done. The body's done. So let's move on to the head. Wait for this to dry. And with the same strips that we have already previously cut, we're just going to snip off a tiny bit of the end, just so that's a tiny little bit more smaller. So I'm just going to take it off a little bit, not too much. And the same principle as what we've done before, as what we did with the body. Put a dab of glue in the center. One across, just like what we did before. Glue the end. Bring it over. Stick it down. Just need to hold it down a little bit, squeeze it together. Make sure it all stuck. And there we have our head. The ears now. Now I've already made a load of eyes already, so we're going to be sticking these eyes on, and I've made a mouth for the rabbit too. What we're going to do now is just make the ears. Very simple. Here's one ear. Fold this over. Folding this over will just mean that when I cut it now, I'm going to have two of these ear shapes rather than me having to figure out and draw a duplicate or trace over it as a template. Two rabbit ears. Now just for the inside part of the ear, we're just going to do some small, same shape. Just some very small one. Same thing, just fold it over. So there is our inside of the ear shape. And all we're going to do then is just stick those inside of our rabbit's ears, like such. Stick one down. And we got our other one. Oops. Two little bunny ears, bunny mouth, and we got our eyes. All ready to go on our springy rabbit. So let's pop those to one side. And to get these stuck onto our base here, what we're going to do is just fold over. Just going to pop that there. Just going to fold this over slightly, so it's like that. Make sure it doesn't come off. Just so it's slightly folded over, so that it can be glued on top. I'm going to put some glue onto the mouth. A great one is to use is that you can get a pack of the googly eyes. They're great fun to use on making things like this. Okay, let's stick one ear on. Stick the other ear. As so. And we get an eye. Two eyes for a rabbit. Let's put his mouth on because he can't eat anything without one. And now what we're going to do is stick this onto the head. Sorry, stick the head onto the body. Have our finished, completed rabbit, spring rabbit, ready for Easter, and our 3D Easter card as well. Enjoy making these. Let me know how you guys get on. Thank you for watching. And how was that video for you guys? Hope that wasn't too hard for you. Let me know in the comments below and how you guys got on. And if you enjoyed that video, hit that like button. So as you saw from last week, I also have a RedBubble store. Link is in the description. I have all sorts of designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, fridge magnets, and also coasters, the lot. There's quite a few products on there with my designs on. All the designs are from patterns to quotes to just t-shirt designs. Check that out in the link below. I also showed you last week that I also have mandala adult colouring books also on an Amazon store. All these links are in the description below. You can also find them. You can also access them through my website also too. Not only adult colouring books, but I've also done a children's colouring book as well. This is aimed at 2 to 5 year olds and for kids that are using the dot marker pens. All the links are in the description below. There'll also be more books coming out on my store, in my Amazon store, not only from colouring books, but also notebooks and journals too. So keep your eyes out ready for that. We're busy people over at Romeo Sketches. We are. My last commission is completed. That's all been sent off. New commission work is being drawn as well. The new commission piece is being started last week and is carrying on, and I'm carrying on with that this week as well. So that's coming along really, really well. Thank you all again for watching, and that's the end of the show, folks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.